try. So I'm going to be drawing a little bit from observation, but also a little bit from memory at the same time. So I'll do, and then if you're doing animals, this is a good demo on animals. What you can do is, if you're having trouble with kind of where to start or the overall shape, you can kind of, you can sort of break the shape up into a combination of shapes. So oftentimes, it's called volumetric drawing. And so oftentimes, I'm going to go off the page here, but that's all right. I'm probably going to do two. Oftentimes, artists will kind of break the animal up into these basic shapes to help them with the proportions and with the scale, and also with how the object actually looks. So you can pick kind of big shapes. This is kind of what we did with figure drawing. It's actually very similar to what we did with figure drawing, where you guys took the human body and simplified it into a series of shapes, and then from there, sort of refine it and make it more specific. So, with animals and people too that are really like complex, you can do this to, simplify the approach, and then you can make it a little bit easier to refine later. So now I can start to refine it. Now I've got these little shapes I can work on, and I can start to refine the drawing. And if my original plan, my original shape is accurate enough, then I should be able to kind of get this more specific pretty quickly. And then this is going to be a good one for watercolor, because I can use the bright red watercolor to paint the cardinal. All right. And sometimes it helps to draw these objects multiple times so you get the hang of it. All right, then I'm going to put a camera. This is where I'm going to go from memory. I'm going to put a camera around its neck. So that's a little connection to taking photos and bird watching. And if I want, I could do the stick that it's sitting on too. Something like that. All right, so that is my example for present.